Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Headlines In. Let us look at some of the important headlines for 1st of October. Let's start with the global news. Oxford Astra COVID vaccine review to start in Europe. European regulators are set to start an accelerated review of a COVID-19 vaccine frontrunner from the University of Oxford and AstraZeneca plc, according to a person with knowledge of the situation. In a sign, the shot could be the first to seek approval in the region. Second, Canada's long wait ends as Trudeau government okays COVID-19 rapid test kits. After days of criticism on over delays, the Canadian government has finally approved rapid test kits for the coronavirus disease. Canadian Prime Minister said the first batch of the kits made by an American manufacturer will arrive in the country in the coming weeks, as Health Canada gave its approval for the devices a day after Public Services and Procurement Minister Anita Anand announced that 7.9 million units had been bought. On to the third news. Donald Trump to cut 2021 refugee admission to 15,000. The US allowed in just over 10,800 refugees, a little more than half of the 18,000 cap set by Trump for 2020 before the State Department suspended the program because of the coronavirus. President Donald Trump is planning to cut refugee admissions by 3,000 to 15,000 in 2021, submitting his proposal to Congress less than an hour before the deadline for the fiscal year's figure was to expire, the administration announced on late Wednesday. Armenia Azerbaijan conflict. Russia offers to host Nagorno Karabakh peace talks. On Thursday, Russia and France called for a ceasefire in the Nagorno Karabakh region amid the worst flare up in violence there in decades. But heavy shelling persisted and explosions were reported in the region's main city overnight. Fifth, Japan military seeks record budget of $55 billion amid regional threats from China and North Korea. Japan's defense ministry is seeking a record high budget of nearly 5.5 trillion yen or $55 billion for fiscal year 2021 to fund more purchase of costly American stealth fighters and expand its capability to counter possible threats in both cyber and outer space from China and North Korea. Let's move on to the next category, Indian news. PMI manufacturing expands to highest levels in 8.5 years in September. India's manufacturing output expanded to its highest level in over 8.5 years in September, supported by quicker increases in net exports orders and domestic sales, signaling faster turnaround in industrial activity following gradual easing of lockdown curbs starting June, according to a private study. The following graph shows the PMI manufacturing for the last 12 months, and we can see that the index is highest for the month of September 2020. A reading above 50 indicates expansion, while a score below this mark indicates a contraction. Court acquits all 32 in Babri case. A special court in Lucknow on Wednesday cited lack of evidence to acquit all 32 accused of criminal conspiracy in the Babri Masjid demolition case 28 years after thousands tore down the mosque to signal the start of a new chapter in Indian politics. Third news. India posts record current account surplus at $19.8 billion in April-June. India recorded its highest ever quarterly current account surplus of $19.8 billion in the April to June quarter, as a sharp fall in imports during the lockdown helped bring down the trade balance. The current account balance is the difference in outflow and inflow of money from and into the country from trade, services, remittances, tourism, and dividends. You can look into the current account surplus slash deficit for the past 3 years in the following graph. Fourth, Lufthansa cancels all planned India flights. German airline Lufthansa has cancelled all flights to India from Wednesday till October 20th due to what it termed as unexpected rejection of its planning flight schedule for October by Indian authorities. On to the last news for the category. Private defense business gets one more nudge. From 1st October, India moves into a new regime for defense systems production and acquisition. Under the larger ambit of the government's Atmanirbhar Bharat tilt, the new policy seeks to ensure self-reliance in defense manufacturing. Along with recommendations to streamline defense procurement, the policy sets several ambitious production targets, including an annual turnover of Rs 1.75 trillion and exports of Rs 35,000 crore in aerospace and defense goods and services by 2025. Let's move on to the last category for the day, company news. Serum Institute raises $150 million funding for additional vaccines. The funding and commitment covers candidate vaccines licensed by AstraZeneca and Novavax, which Serum Institute has agreed to manufacture and sell. Second news, NTPC targeting nearly Rs 1 trillion revenue this fiscal. State-run NTPC Limited is targeting a revenue of Rs 98,000 crore for financial year 2020-21, India's largest power generation utility said on Wednesday. General Atlantic to invest Rs 3,675 crore in Reliance Retail Ventures. Global equity firm General Atlantic will invest Rs 3,675 crore into Reliance Retail Ventures Limited, a subsidiary of Reliance Industries, for a 0.84% stake, Reliance Industries said on Wednesday. General Atlantic had also invested Rs 6,598 crore in Geo Platforms earlier this year. Amazon India gets Rs 1125 crore top up. Amazon Corporate Holdings Private Limited Singapore and Amazon.com Inc. Mauritius have infused Rs 1125 crore in fresh capital into an Indian unit, Amazon Seller Services Private Limited. This top up comes just 2 months after a 2310 crore rupees fund in infusion into the same Indian unit. On to the last news for the day. Adani Green Energy completes acquisition of 205 megawatt solar energy assets. Adani Green Energy on Thursday said it has completed the acquisition of 205 megawatt operating solar energy assets from SL Green Energy and SL Infra Projects. That's all for the news for 1st of October. I hope you guys like the content. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you so much.